How to cancel Picsart subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now go ahead and open this option, subscriptions. Now in this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under active subscription, you will be able to find the option of Picsart. You have to click on it. With that, you will get the option of cancel subscription. Go ahead and click on that option. You will get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for your Picsart account. Now you will not be charged anymore. As if right now I don't have any ongoing subscription, so it is showing nothing in this page. But in the case you do have subscription, you will be able to find in this page. And by following these steps, you will be able to cancel Picsart subscription. And the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Picsart app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Picsart subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.